What is a will? A will is a document where you say who gets what and who is in charge of making that happen. Someone named in a will to receive your assets is called an heir or a beneficiary, and the person in charge of making that happen is called a personal representative or an executor. It's important to note that wills do not apply to assets where you have a surviving joint owner of that asset or to assets where you have a living beneficiary designated. For example, on retirement accounts and life insurance, if you have a spouse named and then your children, then that asset will be payable directly to the living beneficiary who's named, separate from what a will says. If you have a will, and a will is really critical for your estate plan, you need to make sure that it's in sync with everything owned jointly and also everything where you have a beneficiary named to make sure it's working together according to your wishes. Also, for any property passing under a will, it's important to note that a will has to be filed with a probate court. That means a will is a document that has to go through probate, which is a myth that we commonly run into. People think that a will is a magical document that's going to do everything, and it doesn't. It's critical and you need it, but you need to make sure that you understand its limitations and, more importantly, that it goes through probate. And that's a will.